Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken mushroom. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1.5 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 8 ounces of sliced mushrooms, and 2 cloves of minced garlic. Don't forget 1 cup of heavy cream, 1/2 cup of chicken broth, and 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped parsley. We'll also use 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of butter, and salt and pepper to taste. Now let's get cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Season your chicken breasts with salt and pepper on both sides. Carefully place the chicken into the hot skillet and sear for about 3 to 4 minutes per side, until they are beautifully golden brown and cooked through. Remove the chicken from the pan and set it aside on a plate. Next, it's time to create that luscious mushroom sauce. In the same skillet, melt 1 tablespoon of butter. Add the 8 ounces of sliced mushrooms and 2 cloves of minced garlic, cooking until the mushrooms are tender, which takes about 5 minutes. Pour in 1/2 cup of chicken broth, scraping up any flavorful brown bits from the bottom of the pan. Then, stir in 1 cup of heavy cream and let it simmer gently for about 3 to 5 minutes until it slightly thickens. For the grand finale, return the cooked chicken breasts to the skillet, nestling them into that rich, creamy mushroom sauce. Allow the chicken to warm through for about 1 or 2 minutes, ensuring every piece is coated in the deliciousness. Finally, sprinkle generously with 2 tablespoons of fresh, chopped parsley for a burst of color and freshness. Serve this delightful chicken mushroom dish immediately with rice, pasta, or steamed vegetables for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.